AI is moving at 1,000 miles an hour, and if you're not using the tools that I'm going to go through today, you're going to be left behind. And honestly, some of this stuff is going to completely blow your mind. So let's get straight into it.
I know you are here to make money, and you want to learn how to make money using AI. And you also heard that AI is going to replace a lot of people, so you don't want to be replaced. So although this video is about AI tools for agencies, don't worry if you don't have an agency. I know you have either a job or maybe a business. In this video, I'm going to show you how AI can help you with your job, with your business, and your side hustle. But before that, this video is so badass that I want to make the exact same video. For that, let me show you an interesting AI application. It's called Lucidfluencer AI, and I'm proud to be a co-founder of this application. So click Creator, create a project, name it Must Have AI Mosh. Click Continue, and at this point, I have to upload my selfie. Upload it. Now click continue. Now either I can choose this video from YouTube or I can click here and upload a video file. Now all I need to do, my friend, is click submit. And boom, my job is done. In case you didn't watch yesterday's video, I actually turned myself into Iman Ghazi. Look at this, power of this AI application. And we are ready.
So I made $108 million online doing this. And by the end of today's video, you're gonna be able to just copy me because I'm gonna break down the process of how I created an offer to monetize my audience that printed $1 million.
My brothers and sisters, please welcome Mosh Ghazi. Did you look at the thumbnails? Is that me over there? Forget about him. And our video is ready in a couple of minutes. I literally didn't have to do anything else but selecting the two files and click just two buttons. You ready for this?
AI is moving at 1,000 miles an hour, and if you're not using the tools that I'm going to go through today, you're going to be left behind. And honestly, some of this stuff is going to completely blow your mind. So let's get straight into it. Now, the first tool I'm going to show you is called Zero Work. This is your ticket to automating repetitive daily tasks. Okay?
Did it blow your mind? I'll put the link to this software in the description, or you can just browse moshbari.com/lucid. This is how the website will look like. Watch this video, it will show you another example. Go through the website, and if you think this is the best for you, make sure you lock in the one-time price. It is launch special, and it's going to be monthly recurring soon, just like any other AI application. But if you are late and you come back and see a monthly recurring or a higher price, I will not be able to do anything about it. So get it at a one-time price while it's still available. Here is an important disclaimer. I made this video to show you how the software works and for entertainment purpose only. Make sure you have rights on the videos and the images that you are using. And it is mind-blowing, right? Let's go back to our today's video.
The first tool I'm going to show you is called Zero Work. This is your ticket to automating repetitive daily tasks. Okay, now how does this work? Well, it's a simple workflow-based system, so you can see
it is a direct money maker. Let me show you how.
We've got an example here for scraping data. So as an agency, we need to scrape a lot of data. We need to generate leads that we're going to reach out to, potential customers that we can outreach to. And so we can scrape Google Maps, Instagram followers, Facebook group members, okay? The only limitation of using Zero Work is your imagination. If you can think of it, you can pretty much do it on here. And it's just
this is one of the examples how we can use this application to make money in our line of work, which is digital marketing and affiliate marketing. This application can scrape data and auto send DMs. But before sending DMs, it can write personalized DMs using the DM receiver's personal information. For example, if it DMs a carpenter, it will ask, how is your woodwork going on? If it reaches out to an Uber driver, it will ask, do you like driving all day long? It can scrape names and mention names while sending messages. That will completely personalize and make the DMs more attractive, not robotic. And look at the importance of this application here. You see, I get hundreds of DMs every single day. It's nearly impossible for me to attend every single DM. I have to give priority to my direct students. For example, this student is looking for purchasing this application, and this student asking me about a text he has to put while applying to join the private Facebook group. With this application, we can shortcut the whole conversation process, save time, and earn more. This is a 35 minutes long video. For earning money, giving value to your time is extremely important. And you probably have 2 to 3 hours per day after your day job. If you watch a 35 minutes long video just to find out the 14 different AI tools he was talking about, then when will you take action and when will you make money? So let me do the homework for you using AI. I'm going to copy the video URL, then I'll go to Google's Notebook LM. Currently it's free. Use it as much as possible while it's free. Click this Try Notebook LM. Then click Create New. Choose YouTube and paste the YouTube URL. Click Insert. For some reason, it could not import the transcript of the video. So we'll have to go manual. I'm gonna copy the whole transcript manually from the video. Just extra 3 seconds of my time. Not a big deal compared to what I'm about to get. Now I will click Add Source and I will use copied text. Click here and paste the text. Click Insert. And in order to remember the source of this text, I'm going to rename the source using the URL of the video. Click Save. Now I am the king of the world. I will write, summarize the video transcript, make a table of the AI tools discussed in this video, add names, features, target customers, and way to make money with each tool. Put this info in each column. Now hit enter and see what happens. I'm doing this kind of work for the first time with this tool, so I don't know what kind of result I'm going to get. But let's have a look. And the table is ready. You can click this Save to Note button to save this result. And you can get access anytime by clicking here. But remember, if you don't save it, you will not find this table next time you come back. If you are thinking, why did I make this table? Is because instead of watching the full video, I want to make sure I know the target customers because I want to see the target customers of these applications. If I am one of them, then I will look deeper into that particular application. But if I find it is not for me, I'm just gonna ignore it. This is how I will save my time and get more stuff done. It looks like most of the applications are made for agencies and agency owners. But this one got my attention because it is for lead generation agencies. Everybody needs lead generation. So what does it do? Cost savings on manual appointment setters. I think this is amazing. I want to look at it.
So the next tool I'm going to show you is AppointWise. AppointWise are without a doubt the leaders, the world leaders in SMS or text-based appointment setting automations right now. It is built for agency owners, by agency owners. We use it for ourselves and for our clients. And the whole purpose of AppointWise is to automatically engage in conversations with leads, okay? So it replaces the need for human appointment setters entirely. So let's say you generate a lead from a Facebook ad. Someone opts into maybe a lead magnet or a lead form, and then what would usually happen is you would have an appointment setter in your agency calling up those leads or sending them an SMS, trying to book them in with on your client's calendar or trying to get the lead to take whatever action you want them to take. Well, AppointWise can be programmed to do absolutely all of this for you. You can program a completely custom bot, or the team will do this for you, and it will engage in back and forth communication, qualifying the prospect before it then directly books them straight in to a specific sales calendar. Now, the crazy thing about this is it not only means that you can get rid of all of your manual appointment setting team who are sending SMS at the moment, so you save literally thousands in cost, but also it is at least 3 times more effective than a manual appointment setter based on my personal tests. Now, I launched a test a couple of months ago when I first started using AppointWise. I split tested AppointWise versus our manual appointment setters. And what we found, the biggest trigger for change the biggest trigger for increasing meeting book rate was the amount of time it took to actually respond to a lead. Now, a human can respond to a lead, I don't know, maybe if you've got a great team, within 10 minutes, okay, because they're juggling different tasks, they've got to remember, they've got to see the message, there's going to be a lag there. A bot can respond 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, within 1 minute.
This is mind-blowing. But hey, this application is not cheap. It's minimum $97 a month to way up to $997 a month. It's absolutely for business owners who are on profit. They have abundance of leads coming in every single day. They have a huge team who are dealing with those leads, making sales and generating massive revenue. And that's probably not you, because I know most of my viewers have a 9-to-5 day job or an existing business. They're just trying a new side hustle or a side business. The most resonating for you is a 99% done for you system. So we have a program where we help beginners just like you earn $500 commissions to way up to $1,000 commissions with a 99% done for you system. In this program, we completely take care of all the technical work, including building your marketing funnel, integrating AI to it. The whole system works for you 24/7. And we built it for beginners just like these people who earned passive affiliate commissions. Each of these commissions that you are looking at are commissioned for one sale. And to explain you how this system works, we have a free training. The training link is in the description below this video. This will be the training page. After watching the full training, you will learn about how we make money, how you can personally use the same tactics and make money. And at the end of this video, you will learn about our program, how we can help beginners just like you earn those $500 commissions. And after watching the training, if you have any questions, click this chat with us button at the bottom right corner of the website. This is an AI chat assistant. It is trained to speak like me. It will give you all the information you need. But hey, if you want to speak to me, feel free to DM me on Instagram or Facebook. I will be more than happy to answer all your questions. But I'm sure you will love chatting with this AI chat assistant, and you will also learn about the efficiency of our product. Did you like this video? Hit the like button, share with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Make sure you check all the resources in the description below. And if you're watching this from my website, check the options, buttons, and links under this video. And to learn more money-making techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you in the next one.